Let us discuss a few questions from the exercise. Try these given on page number 34 in your NCERT notebook. Here the first question, A part is 2/7 is to be multiplied with whole number 3. So the first step is changing the whole number to fractional form. So 3 becomes 3/1. Now we are multiplying numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So here you can clearly see there is no common factor which can be cancelled. So we'll simply multiply 6/7. This will be the answer. Another part, C part. Here 3 is to be multiplied with 1/8. First of all, 3 will be written as 3/1. Now 3 into 1/1 into 8. So this becomes 3/8. Again you can see there is no common factor which can be cancelled. Okay, similarly for its D part, the 6 will be written as 6/1. 13 into 6/11. So again you can see there is no common factor to be cancelled. 13 into 6 is 78, 11 into 1 is 11. Now the answer you are getting here is improper form. It is to be changed to mixed number form. So we'll change this to mixed number form as 7 1/11. This will be your answer. Always remember, in case of fractions, your answer should be in simplest form, and if it is an improper fraction, if your answer is an improper fraction, it must be changed to mixed number form like I have done here. Okay, let us do another question from the same exercise. Try these. Second question is, we have to represent product of two numbers pictorially. That is, we have to use some picture to represent this equation. This number is given 2 into 2/5 is equal to 4/5. This question is given 2 times 2/5. If you solve this, you will definitely get this answer 4/5. Now here, how to represent its left hand side? I will be taking two pictures and each picture will be representing 2/5. So first of all, I will take, say I am taking a rectangular shape. I am dividing this into 5 equal parts. Okay, after dividing it into 5 equal parts, I will shade 2 parts according to its numerator. So 2 out of 5. Here I am shading 2 parts of this picture. So now this picture is representing 2/5. 2 out of 5, the shaded portion is 2 out of total number of parts is 5. So this is 2/5 and I have to take it for 2 times. So I will take another picture and will shade it in same manner. Now this is the left hand side. I am taking 2/5 for 2 times. Now the right hand side, see, if I multiply 2 with 2/5, the answer I am getting is 4/5. That is, I will take a picture with 5 parts and from that picture I will shade 4 parts. So its answer will be, I will take a picture, I will take a rectangle, make 5 equal parts, and now you have to shade 4 parts. So this is the pictorial representation of the same question which was given in numbers. In pictures, this question looks like this.